Good morning, Primary 5. Today, we'll complete our lesson that talked about magnet. We were talking about properties of magnet, and the first property was that magnet has two poles, called North Pole and South Pole. And we define the two poles of magnet as areas or regions of magnet at which the attraction force is concentrated. Okay, and we said that North Pole is one end of magnet that always point or refers to the North Pole of Earth, and the South Pole is another pole of magnet that always points or refers to the South Pole of Earth. Okay, this is the first property, and now the second one is an attraction and repulsion of the two poles of magnet. Like poles always repel each other. Repel means push away. If we have two poles like south-south pole, they will repel each other. And unlike poles or opposite poles like south-north and north-south will attract each other. So that will say that like poles repel each other and unlike poles attract each other. Third property is magnetic field. Magnetic field is the space around the magnet in which the effect of magnetic force appears. What is the meaning of magnetic force? Magnetic force is the ability of magnet to attract magnetic material exist in its field. And of course, magnetic force is an invisible force. We cannot see it. Always the magnetic field takes this arrangement or this shape, which is also invisible. We can see it by making a simple experiment. Now, it's another shapes of magnetic field. We revise on the properties of magnet. Magnet attract objects made of metal like iron, steel, cobalt, or nickel. Force is strongest or greatest at the poles, the North Pole or South Pole. The third one, like poles repel each other, and unlike poles attract each other. Now we are talking about what if we suspend a magnet freely? The freely suspended magnet takes always a fixed direction, which is north-south direction. The North Pole always refers to the North Pole of magnet always refers to the North Pole of our planet Earth, and South Pole always refers to the South Pole of our planet Earth. By this rule that says freely suspended magnet takes a fixed direction, which is north-south direction, scientists made the compass. Okay, compass is composed of light magnetized needle, which swing or spins freely. This needle take or refers always to the north direction of Earth. Chinese long time ago used the magnetic rock that spins freely, taking a fixed direction, which is north-south direction by the way, to make the old compass. And now this is the shape of our modern compass, which also a magnetized needle that swing freely to point to the north direction. What is the importance of compass? It's used to identify the 4 geographic directions. This is our lesson today. Thanks for watching.